voices in my head. I gotta get up again. I gotta get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up again.
You're a widow? Where is he?
I gotta get up to another day. I'm not giving up again.
Man. Oh.
Gonna get up, gonna get up again.
Shit. They're both stuck there. Peace. It's a mistake, I didn't mean to say it. Oh, I didn't have to deflect them. It was close. I'm glad my mercy didn't die.
Look into my eyes. My heart beats like a drum. You listen to my lies. Love is far to come. Your love is far. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in the morning, time it just goes on. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning, time it just goes on.
Wait, what?
Again, I gotta get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I gotta get up, gotta get up, gotta get gonna get up
Missed that really quick? Okay. Got you in my sights, huh? I mean, it doesn't, like, aim it back or anything like that, right? But what it does do is stop the damage. I didn't even hit him with the flex. Where'd the mercy go? There she is. Oh no, it didn't go off. Whoa! Phantom's got him, Phantom's got him. We're good. It's taking so much damage, it's not finishing off. Gotta chase the kills. He almost got me. He almost just two-shot me. I think he missed one. Now it's our time to shine. Get the walling, so 15 seconds. What? Let's go. Oh my god, that was the last reset I wanted. Oh, see, the Lucio just saved that Reaper actually. I tried Alpha Swag, I tried. Shit, she actually got it off. She's in the corner, I didn't see her. Wow! Oh my god. Peace! I think we're good. See, the Mercy just res from spawn now, which is kind of annoying.